Assalamualaikum, Ramadan Mubarak everyone. So guys, I'm gonna be heading out right now to an event called Fast in the Six, where, you know, under open sky all the Torontonians gather and enjoy breaking their fast. So I'm gonna take you there with me. Come along. Someone has to cut the line and go. He's in a hurry. Yeah, some boys never grow up. They have to use this as a slide.
Arriving at Medcare.
I don't know if that's a church bell, but it sounds very noisy. Guys, I'm here. Now I'm gonna cross the road and go there. Finally, I'm here in Nathan Phillip Square. People generally come here for skating, and today we have the Iftar event.
We're enjoying, so let's have a big round of applause for that. So, this event has only been possible due to the incredible efforts of our co-founders Danny and Lisa Asaf, and we're happy to welcome you back and celebrate with us tonight. We'll be hearing from Lisa and Danny later into the night, but before we begin the night, we would like to thank our sponsors, because without them, this night would not have been possible. So, Every time I say a sponsor's name, guys, please give them a big round of applause. So we have our main primary sponsor, RBC. Then we have our food sponsors, Sobeys, Freshco, and Maple Lodge, and Zabiya Halal. And along we have our sponsor partners, Tories LLP, TD, Oxford Properties, Maxwell Realty, and
So I'm just gonna break my fast. I did. Yeah. I just took a prayer break. My hands are freezing. I'm gonna go back to the event again, but before that I'm just taking a prayer break. Security has been tight, you know, they were checking our stuff. Yeah. I didn't bring a big bag, so I'm just wearing it like this. I'm gonna now head out to the event. Just offered my prayer there. This is the center inside Nathan Phillip Square.
It's the Suhoor is going on. You know I'm fasting. It's the month of Ramadan. It's time to come together for prayer and Quran. So assalamu alaikum. Hold on, guys. We're gonna try that one more time. So assalamu alaikum. That's what I'm talking about. Muslim or non-Muslim, it doesn't matter who you are. Cause when my mom's cooking biryani, just pull up for iftar. We're here at Nathan Phillips, having food and taking pics. You won't get a speeding ticket if you fast in the 6. Did you guys get that? That was sick.
How's everyone doing tonight? That's what I like to hear. We've got some songs for you. Thank you for having us fast in the 6. And my name is Bryn, by the way. You can find me on Instagram, on Spotify. Are you guys enjoying all the festivities that are happening so far? Yeah? Us too. Makes me tight-lipped, I admit it. I try out other lovers, but I'm never that committed. Oh, there I go.
all right, guys. How's everyone enjoying the show now? We're getting close to the end, unfortunately, but I'm glad that you guys have enjoyed it so far. I want to get an idea of what kind of crowd we have today. It's so great to see how many cities and how many people from different cities are here today. And you know, that's what this is all about. It's about celebrating unity. It's about celebrating all of us being together. And last but not least, celebrating Ramadan. Now,
so cold. Okay, so the event is done. It was really cool, but I would say I've attended a live event like this after 2 years. So yeah, it feels different because it's really cold. Last time when I had this event, it was not cold, it was like full-on spring. So that was the hard part, but other than that, alhamdulillah, it was good. Trying to fix this. Guys, I was wearing this outfit today and I was feeling so cold. Like I didn't take a jacket with me. Like who goes out and doesn't take jacket with them? Me. At least I took my gloves. I was freezing to death. Like I live in Canada and I still have no idea what's the weather outside like. Crazy. Without any sweater, just a dress. I almost killed myself. I was freezing to death. I don't know if you guys could see, like in some of the footage, my hand was shaking. That's why the videos are shaky. The footages are shaky. Anyways, I tried, okay? I tried to capture the best moments. Ma'as-salama, take care and have a great Ramadan. I'll see you guys inshallah after Ramadan.